Come on, bro. You ain't got one yet. You ain't got a PS5 yet. Quick pickup, y'all. Appreciate you, DTLR. I don't never win no raffles for y'all. Y'all, you already know. Not for sale, bitch. Man, that's crazy. It started storming when I went to pick these joints up too. Might have been a little thunder out there, bitch. But yeah, you already know what it is. You can tell by the box. If you don't, then just read the tag. Yeah. You know that tour yellow means thunder. See the inside of the box. Top lid. Inside of the top lid right there. Oh, let me I thought the box it got rain on because it was raining like a bitch early, right? I'm like, hold up. The box made like this. Cause the other fours was made like that. The Haze, Top A Haze joint. Yeah, here they go. These joints ain't released in what, 17 years? This the second time they released. You already know. Anybody remember the white joints back in the day? The white, black, and yellow joints? The tag right here used to come off. Yeah, we got the Black Thunder. Black and yellow Thunder. These joints fresh though. I'm not really too hype over them. I just wanted them because just need some more fours in my collection. But if they drop the white, black, and yellow joints, yeah, I'm gonna definitely be hyped over them. Cause I ain't had them since what, 06, 07. These joints fire though, man. Am I gonna wear them in the summer? No. Think I'm about to wear an all black fit. Has to be kidding me. Nothing in the box. Hey man, hey Jordan brand, y'all need to if y'all gonna keep upping these prices, man, at least put something in the box. You know what I'm saying? Retro card, hang tag. You could have dropped me a hang tag for these fours right here. Since the price just keep creeping up, you know what I'm saying? Jordan used to be the 180, 190. Now they 200. These was 210. Oh, they ain't got the price on them. Yeah, they was 210 plus tax. What? The Cool Gray 11s came out, they was like, what, 225? Like, come on, bro. Like, where y'all be getting these prices from? Y'all just do it because you know we gonna pay it, right? That's how the game go. Inflation for no reason, right? We got the bottom. Got the back of the joints. Jumpman tag. You already know, if you got some fours, the inside tag is gonna be upside down. If it's not upside down, they fake.
Message!
Free game. I know a lot of y'all out there won't be copping reps. Yeah, these on the field though. I don't really see too many imperfections. The quality is up to par. Yeah, and we go.